Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share with you how I maintained my hair while going through postpartum shedding. I was asked this question, so I wanted to go ahead and answer it. What I did was very simple. This video is going to be very short just because it was literally that simple. First of all, I'll start and show you guys what I use. This was recommended to me by my beautician, and it's the Nioxin Kit. And this one was specifically for natural progressed thinning hair. And on the side it'll tell you, on the side it tells you which one's best for you based off of your hair. I was a number 2, so you see it's right there. But they also have some for color treated hair and relaxed hair as well. And I will say I used this for about a little over a month and I saw dramatic results. I'll go ahead and insert a picture for you guys at the end showing you like a before and a update. But my hair was so bad. I lost so much, and you kind of can't see a whole lot. It's still a little thin, so you can see it's coming in, but all of this was gone. This actually right here had completely lifted up and was like flapping. This was all gone as well. With my son, I lost a lot of hair also, so I kind of expected it for the girl. So this time I wanted to get a little bit ahead of it. So I reached out to her and I was like, what do I need to do? Because this is not going to be, this can't work. With my son, I kind of like didn't know exactly what to expect, and I was kind of in denial thinking it wasn't going to happen to me. So, I didn't do anything about it. I just kind of let it happen and then was just like, all right, well, what do we do now to fix it? I don't talk about my locks a lot on the channel, but I want to do that more. And with that being said, I do like my hair frizzy. I know it kind of looks unkept and everything, but something about it being puffy like this, I love it. So I wasn't too mad at the way this affected my locks, just because my hair is frizzy anyway, so it kind of blended in. But I know for like some people who have more uniformed locks and they're like nice and straight, the postpartum shedding kind of destroys it. But I'll show you guys what I mean as far as it being puffy. Like if you look right here, this is kind of where I had all my breakage, and then that was the retwist, and then that's the new growth there, and it happens throughout the strand. So if you don't really take care of it and you get a lot of breakage, you'll get those puffy parts. But as you can see, the rest of my lock is puffy because that's just how I like it. My locks were started with 2-strand twists, so that's why they're a little puffy. And I guess it has something to do with my texture as well. I'm not 100% sure. But back to the kit. So it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and then on a scalp treatment. And it's just a foam that you spray on. Basically with this foam, you use it twice a day. I used it. It's supposed to be like a 12-hour period in between is what she told me. So what I would do is since we were up, I'm up about 6 o'clock in the morning or so, but I'm busy up until like about 8. So at 8 o'clock I would put it on in the morning, and then 8 o'clock at night before bed, before I put all the kids down, I would go ahead and spray it on, or foam it on. But I'll squirt it so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just foam. But all I did was put it along my hairline, and that was it. I didn't use it anywhere else, and I would just puff it on like that, sit back so that way it could like dissolve into my hair, and then that was it. I didn't do anything else. And then I would tie it down at night. And so what it actually ended up doing for me is kind of laying down my hair, like you can't tell now because it's all crazy and I haven't tied it down in a while, but it kept my hair laid down so that way when I got up in the morning I wasn't so frizzy and crazy. So that helped out a lot too. I have this one piece that's just like all over the place. And then with the shampoo and conditioner, she recommended that I washed my hair 2 to 3 times a week, and unfortunately that is not realistic for me, especially with these kids. It takes too long to wash my hair to do it that many times a week. So what I was doing was I made sure that I did it once a week, and I shot for twice if I could. And even if I couldn't, I would like at least get it wet, put the conditioner on it, and then let it sit, so that way at least I had something happening. But the shampoo, you just put it on and you wash your hair as normal. Like you don't need a whole lot of product, that I will say. And what I did was I wet my whole hair, and then I focused mainly on my scalp, and I just cleansed my scalp And then, you know, the suds, I would use it and just kind of go through each lock and to make sure that, you know, it was clean and that I got any buildup that was in my locks. And then that was it. I didn't do anything, you know, special. I didn't have to let it sit or anything like that. With the conditioner, it does recommend that you let it sit for 5 minutes. So what I would do was, I wash my hair in the shower, so I would go ahead, shampoo, rinse it out, make sure I got it all out, put the conditioner in, and then I would just take my hair. Yes, that's the twins. But I would just take my hair while I was in the shower and just do like a little messy bun to get it out of the way, like that. And then I would just take my shower as normal, wash my face, do anything that I had to do. And then once I was done with that, you know, that's about 5-10 minutes, I just took it back down, rinsed it out, and then I was done. Yes. And then that's pretty much it, guys. For moisture, after I got done washing it and retwisting it, I would just use this. It looks crazy, don't judge the cover packaging, but the Shea Butter that I got from my beautician as well, and it smells so good. But it's just, you know, it's Shea Butter, cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, strawberry oil, lemon, patchouli oil, and vitamin E. And she makes this herself, so I just got a bit sectioned off my hair, and I would just take off like a nice little chunk like that, and just go like this, and that was it. And that's pretty much how I maintain my locks, period. And I would just go through and then do each section like that. So I just get another small little amount, grab a section like that, comb it in. And this stuff makes your hair smell so good. I love it so much. And a little bit goes a long way, so that's one thing I do like. I don't have to put a whole lot. The way I maintain my locks is pretty simple. I don't do a whole lot to it anyway, so that was it. I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera, but you get the picture. So that's all I would do to my hair. And then she also has an oil that she sells, and I use that on my scalp. I just ran out, so I can't really do the video. But I would just like pour it in my hand or spray it. It comes in a spray bottle, and you can spray it on your scalp. But I feel like when I spray it, I'm not paying attention and I miss areas. So I'll spray it in my hand, and then I just put it on my fingertips and massage it all the way through. And then I just, you know, until I ran out, and I would go all the way through. Once I got it all over my scalp, then I would sit and just go like this and give myself a nice scalp massage. And I tried to do that like every other day, just because postpartum my scalp was really dry. Pregnancy, my scalp was really dry too. I was just dry all over. My skin was dry, my hair was dry, everything was dry when I was pregnant. But afterwards, I was still, like I said, really dry. So I would just do that every other day, and it helped. I would tie my hair down and then be done. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Like I said, it was pretty simple. I'll link everything that I can down below. I'll link her Facebook page so you guys can reach out to her if you want to get some of the shea butter or some of the oil. And I also tried to link the Nioxin, I hope I'm saying that right, but that product, I'll try to link it below. I believe I saw it at Walmart online, so like I said, you could probably order it there. If not, you can also reach out to her because she has it as well. That's where I purchased mine. And that's it. If you guys have any tips on how you... If you guys have any tips on how you dealt with your postpartum hair loss, leave them down below. I would love to hear from you and kind of see what worked for you, because you know everyone's hair is different, especially with the different textures and different styling. So just let me know. All right, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye.